Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Afika binti Asmadi, metric number 262828. Okay, for topic 9, first point is quality awareness in warehouse among management level and co-workers. We can say that quality awareness is crucial because it aims to equip managers, team leaders, and production staff with the skills, knowledge, and attitudes necessary to establish a quality culture and mindset in the workplace. This awareness can be created if there is excellent quality strategy communication in the organization. This quality strategy communication is internal in nature, implying the importance of customer service by prioritizing internal customer service over external customer service. As a result, quality awareness and commitment at the point of production or administration conveyance is equally as important as at the very senior level. Therefore, all employees should receive good training on procedures and techniques relevant to their own jobs. Quality awareness also can reduce the total cost of quality if this matter is taken seriously by the warehouse management.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Rehana binti Muhtar. My metric number is 262716. I'm going to present about the importance of quality to customer of warehouse and Internet of Things. The importance of quality to customer of warehouse. In warehouse, the ultimate objective is minimizing cost and to generate maximum profit. However, the businesses including warehouse that make the most profit literally do not focus on the profits alone. The things need to consider for a warehouse are the quality of the services that warehouse provides because they know how important it is to their customer. One of the importance of quality to the customer is competition. Quality of services is vital in niche specific organization in order to defeat competition. Because the warehouses focus on providing services, they require something that can distinguish between their offerings and competition. Next, customer satisfaction, also one of the importance of quality to customer of warehouse. At the beginning, customers value quality, then as they tell more people about it and continue to use the service provided by warehouse, they will come to expect it. Whenever the warehouse gives quality services, the company can build a satisfactory client standard in its range of services. In return, the company receives loyalty and continue lead to growing. Quality and the warehouse's reputation are more closely linked than many businesses realize. When the services don't match the standard of quality that was promised, people will hear about it on social media, through review sites, on forum, and from their friends.
The importance of continuous improvement in warehouse operation. First, facing competition. Competitors can obtain cost savings, higher quality and production capacity by improving logistics to a point and then taking a passive attitude to the system. Second, maximize and optimize all available space. Consider making greater use of vertical space rather than expanding your warehouse area. Rather than incurring additional expenditures, higher storage containers and the appropriate technology for picking and storing items might allow you maintain more in the same square area. The third, organized workstation. Organizing workstation increase efficiency by eliminating the need for workers to look for tools or equipment. And last, controlling costs. Many costs such as labor, raw materials, and energy tend to grow with time. Unless firms can raise price without harming customer demand, rising costs eat on earnings. Step in implementing warehouse quality management. They have 11 steps. The first is expectation and motivation. Second, risk reduction. Third, business review. Fourth, implementation schedule. Fifth, team building. Six, design and customization. Seven, training. Eight, data. Nine, testing. 10, deployment. And the last one, 11, support.
My name is Anwar Hakim bin Rosli. My number is 261612. So without further ado, let's start. So first is lean management in the warehouse. Nowadays, warehouses are continuously under pressure to perform better quicker and more efficiently as the global supply chain grows. As the amount of strain increases, the job of lean warehouse management becomes more important. The technique of establishing warehouse operation in such a way that resources consumption is kept to a minimum while productivity is maintained is known as lean warehouse management. Next, besides, adopting a lean approach to warehouse management may help achieve a variety of goals, including first, ensure that storage space is used efficiently at all times. Second, as items pass through the warehouse, minimize touch point and inventory and workers' mobilities. Third, overstacking and stock out are avoided. Fourth, getting rid of bottleneck that create delays at various phases of the process. And lastly, is a simplifying as opposed to overcomplicating the entire warehouse operations. Next is implementation of lean management in the warehouse. The 5S is critical to visual management in a company, as discussed in various publications and papers. The primary goal of 5S is to provide a safe, organized, and efficient work environment, resulting in waste reduction and improved worker and process performance. The initial letters of the 5 Japanese words make up the name of this 5S technique. First is Siri, means sort. Second is Sieton, means orderliness. Third is Seiso, cleanliness. Fourth is Seigetsu, standardized. And lastly is Shitsuke, standardized.
The Internet of Things, or IoT, is an interconnected system of computer equipment, mechanical machinery, and digital equipment, items, animal, or people that have the potential to transmit data across a network without interaction between human or human beings. A single person with a sensor, a freight with a temperature sensor, or a forklift with a moving sensor can be the connecting point. In this ecosystem, all devices can in real time gather and share data to report on their status, surroundings, and use. While computers and radio frequency gadgets are not new to the warehouse, Internet of Things IoT is. IoT devices reinforced by the advancement of artificial intelligence have not only increased data collection capability but have also transformed data into intelligent judgment and commands to conduct specific activities. Managers must adapt to changing demand in order for a business to expand successfully. As a result, implementing IoT, cloud-based management systems, and other technologies is no longer a choice because IoT provides numerous benefits to a warehouse. Technology plays a critical role in increasing warehouses' productivity. One of the advantages of IoT is that it improves the precision of supply chain planning and management, resulting in cheaper and faster delivery. Also, it will improve assets management. The Internet of Things raises a manager's knowledge to each and every item housed in a warehouse. Smart technologies will monitor and change storage conditions on their own. In the event of product theft, store managers are immediately notified, boosting the likelihood of goods retrieval and identifying the perpetrator.
Risk management in warehouse operation. First, categories of risk. Identifying the dangers we face in a global economy is the first step in risk management. Management should rate each possible disaster in terms of both probability and severity as part of the process. Second, managing the risk. These are the three ways to control the risk of any loss, which is insurance, loss prevention, and contingency planning. Third, remaining resilient. Corporations rely on redundancy or flexibility to stay afloat. A planned collection of surplus inventory or surplus capacity is one example of redundancy. And last, organizational change. Relationships are regularly used by warehouse owners in their marketing activity.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Zain bin Muhammad Zaki, 263474. Time management is one of the current issue in warehouse management. order management that are not satisfactory will cause time management at the warehouse to be interpreted. Order management encompasses the whole process of process and order from receiving it out, picking, packaging, and sending the correct good to the correct customer. If an error occurs in one of these steps, the entire workflow may be disrupted, forcing you to restart from the beginning.